Okay, so I'm outside in the new pen that me and my mom just built. Show it to you. And I have a ball in my hand. As you can see, Dexter's like, oh, give it to me. You ready, Dexter? You ready? Are you ready? Go get it. For some reason, he won't bring back a ball, but he'll bring back a stick. And Bear just wants you to chase him. So, Gracie and her dumbfounded looks. He's gonna get it. You better. Well, he stole it. Bear! Come here, Bear! Come here! Come on! He will not bring it back for shit. Come here! Come here! Drop the ball! Oh, chasing him will just make him run more. So, I'll just wait till he gets bored and drops it. Like now. Runs off with a stick. You ready, Dexter? Are you ready? Go get it! He's like, I'm so proud of myself. Are you gonna drop it? Are you gonna give it to me? Can I have it? You ready? Hey! Are you ready? You ready? Are you ready? It just leaps in the air. Okay, you ready? Bring it to me. Drop it. Hey. I actually thought he was going to bring it to me for once. Oh, yeah, he dropped it, and Bear thinks he still has it, so he's going to still chase him. Dexter, come here. Dummy, where'd it go? It's right there. Oh, Bear's taking off with it now.